Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. And in this video today we'll talk about sets in Python. In this course Python 101 I already discussed the 4 built-in data types like dictionary, list and tuples, and this is the 4th built-in data types of Python to store multiple values in one variable. And you can find those videos in my playlist Python 101. I have uploaded already lots of videos here, so you can check this out from here. So what is actually set? Sets is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed. We'll discuss those terms later. And set does not allow duplicates. So what's and how we create a set? We just put the variable name equal to, and we use this curly bracket. If you have already seen my videos, you already saw that dictionary also used this curly brackets, but there are key value pairs in dictionary, but here it's only single value, you can notice here. So I'll run this cell, and how we will check that it's a set or not? Of course the type function, and you see the output is set. Okay, so after that we'll see the term not allow duplicate. So here you see red, green, blue, black. I'll just copy paste it here, and if I add again maybe green, okay, and run the cell. I'll create another cell here and try to print color. You see green, red, black, blue. It just ignored this green, okay, and you will see that there's no duplicate here. So that's the meaning of this term, that set doesn't allow duplicates. After that, empty set. How you can create an empty set? If I do like s equals to, and before we created like empty list with the third brackets, blank third brackets, but this I already told you that this is how you create an empty dictionary. You can even check here. This is not the way you create empty set. You see dict, that means dictionary. The way you create an empty set is use that set function or the constructor. Now we'll discuss those terms later. So see, this is an empty set. Why it is empty? Because you see nothing is inside. Alright, duplicates are ignored in a set. I already discussed that here, that I already printed green, but green is just ignored. So that's the point here. Duplicates are ignored in set. Access item in set. So there was a term that unchangeable. When you make a set, you can't change the values later. Same as tuple, but tuple doesn't allow add new element or remove new element after making, but set allows that. It just doesn't allow changes after making a set. Like, and you can't even access the element using index value. If I show you here color, I just printed color, right? If I show that index 0, that means red color. If I try to print that here, color and 0th index, and run this, set object is not subscriptable. You can't use an index and access a value. You have to use for loop. Copy paste that here. Okay, and name it colors. And I have already shown you how to use for loop to printing values, so that's what works here, like for colo color in, and what, there's a block and you see the indentation and print. This is the syntax for loop, and that's how you print the elements of a set. You can't use indexing because it will show this error. You have to use the for loop. And there are also another way to check some element is present on a set or not. There's the operator. I have already discussed operator in previous videos. You need to check those if you haven't yet. Red in colors. Red in colors. Colors is the name of the set. Okay, if I run that, true, because red is inside colors, so it's just verifying that red is inside colors or not. So that's how you can check. Add items. There are 2 methods. Make a set nums 1 2 3 4 5 6 of 5, and you will see it doesn't allow duplicates. You know that, right? So if I print, see there's no duplicate here, even I do 5. So how you can add elements? You do nums dot add, this is the method, then Inside that you just add whatever you want to add. Maybe I want to add 1 2 3 and run this cell, and after that if I print nums again, print, you see 1 2 3 is added. And there's another function update method. Okay, you see nums is a set. If I make another set same as maybe nums2, and if I add here 33 44 55 66, in add method you can only add one element at a time, but in update method you can add multiple, like you can add a set inside a set. So if I do nums dot update, and inside that update if I put nums2, first I'll run this nums2 cell and this cell, and after that if I do print, and you'll see all the elements of nums2 is updated inside nums. So when I am printing nums, you can see 33 66 44 50 and 1 2 3. Here you can see the unordered. I have told you, right? Unordered. Here you can see the example. Here I have added 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 and then 33 44 55 and 66. Here you can see it doesn't even maintain the order. 1 2 3 is at the end, so set doesn't maintain order, that's why it's unordered. So remove item. How you can remove items from the list? So first let me print the nums here. You see 1 2 3 4, these are the elements of this nums set. So first let me use this remove method. Remove, maybe want to remove 33, and after that I'll print nums. So 33 is removed. Okay, it's easy. Then I'll copy paste it and use discard and maybe 44. What's the difference between this? Remove methods throws an error when the element is not present, the one we want to remove. So if I use remove again, and this time you see those are the elements, and I want to remove 100, key error 100, it throws an error. But the discard method, if the element is not present, it will not throw an error. Okay, like if I want to remove 100, it will just print that these are the elements, and it will not remove 100. Of course 100 is not present, but it will not throw an error. Okay, and you see some one element is removed, and because list is unordered, so it's not specifically gonna remove the last element, because anything can be last, it's not ordered. So that's why it just removed one from the front. So it's not like every time you're gonna do pop it's gonna remove from front, so anything can happen. And then there is a clear method. It's gonna clear the whole whole set. If you run this clear method and then try to print the set, you see what's that? That's an empty set. Okay, because the clear method clears everything. And there's one method called delete. I've already shown you on tuple. If you use delete method, it will just delete the whole set. If you run this and try to print nums, it will say, oh, what is nums? There's no variable named nums because you already deleted. You see, name nums is not defined. It's not defined. So those are the basics of set. In the future, in advanced Python, you will see what's the uses of sets, because these are just the basics. We generally carry out mathematical set operation like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, those kind of stuff. So this is all for this video, and check out the previous videos. It will be easy for you, and I'll suggest just check in this manner. And these notes and all those notebook pages will be pushed into GitHub profile, and you will see the links on the description. Okay, check the description and follow the playlist. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel and follow this playlist. Okay, bye bye.